In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Wallpapers and Style. Then tap on Fonts section and select one of those fonts by tapping on the best one. When you're ready, hit Apply to save your changes. If you want to try something more interesting, go back to the same settings and this time select More. Now download a perfect font style for you by clicking on it and hitting Apply at the bottom. When you're finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!